Hi friends, my name is Pushpendra. Once again I came with the very interesting tutorial. In this tutorial we will play the YouTube video actually in our iOS application. So let's see how we can do in a very easy way and in a very short trick. So here I am creating one new project with the name play video play YT YouTube. Okay, create. That's good. Now first of all we have to install a pod inside that. So what we will do, we will copy this path, we will paste in our terminal. This is our fresh terminal, cd and pass and delete this extra one. Okay, enter. Now pod init, right, and pod install. Great. So now close this one and open X space workspace. Okay, here this one. Now what we will do, we will import one YouTube library inside our project. Okay, so the name of the library is YouTube player in WKWebView. Okay, now again pod install. Oh, something missed. Now you can see actually there was some spelling mistake. Okay, I will mention this into my description so you can copy from there. So now our pod library has been installed successfully. Now command B for building the project so that we can use this library. Now we will open from here main storyboard. Now here I will take one view, plain view. Okay, it's my plain view. I will set the constraint to this one. So 0 0 0 and aspect ratio. Okay, so now I will assign the outlet inside my file, view controller file. From here I will open my view controller file and here I will assign the outlet and called as first of all, sorry for the mistake. Select this one, go to class assigner and from here WKYT player view. Okay, now finally we will assign the outlet player, called as player. Okay, connect, close, and also you can minimize this. Now open view controller and from here what you need to do, same import YouTube player in WKWebView. Okay, here now what you need to do, nothing more, just player dot load and with the ID of YouTube video ID. I will show you which ID they are talking about. So I have, let's say, this video. If I click on share, then you can find this is the ID. Okay, this one. So you have to pass this ID there, same ID is that. So now what you need to do, open your project and here pass this ID. Now if we will run, then we will find the output. Let it be run. So here you can see video came. but it's not starting automatically. You need to click on play. Okay, so there is some network error is happening, but that is the procedure. I will change the simulator and I will see the output. It is happening same in that also or not? Actually, it should not happen. It's taking some time, and once it's completed, then we can see the output. Close this one, let it be load. So here it is. Click on play and you can see video is playing into same scenario. Okay, might be that simulator is not taking the network, that's why that issue came. Okay, right now we are need to click on play button, then it will play. So what we need to do for autoplay? Player dot play video. Now actually we all people do the same mistake. What we need to do here, we have to assign the delegate. Okay, so delegate equals self, and here extension dot view controller colon, it is wk player view delegates. Okay, so this is my delegate. Now what we need to do, we will see the function of this one and we will call this function player view did become ready. Okay, player view did become ready. So from here player view dot play. Okay, so it will start playing the video automatically once it's load, and then it will start. Now you can see it's automatically get start. Now what you need to do, whenever you close any window or the current view controller, so view did disappear, you need to call player dot stop video. Okay, so now again we will see. Now it will play, and once you close the player, means let's say you are on something different view controller and on close of that you want to stop this video, so what you need to call? This function you need to call. So that was the complete functionality for playing the YouTube video in iOS application. I hope you understand that completely. If you have any doubt, please put into the comment box and tell me, is it really a useful video for you or not? And before leaving this channel, I would like to tell you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because on my YouTube channel contains too much video related to Apple development with the Swift 5 programming language and with the latest technology, latest techniques. So please subscribe and enjoy your coding. Happy coding. Have a great time. Bye bye.